Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the D3D compiler 43.dll file is missing error that you're experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 computers as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but I'm going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And you're going to search for DirectX end user runtime. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a Microsoft web page here. This is DirectX end user runtime web installer. Go ahead and open that up. Select the download button and give it a moment. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and run the setup file. And if you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. You can close out of the browser too at this point. So it's going to say welcome to setup for DirectX. Go ahead and accept the agreement and then select next. I'm going to uncheck the option to install the Bing bar and then I'm going to select next again. And go ahead and select next. And once it's complete, go ahead and select finish. And now you will want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully it was as simple as that. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.